Homeowners searching for double-hung window installation. Crestview Florida want solutions that look classic, operate smoothly, and perform well in Florida weather. In Crestview, Florida, professional double-hung window installation in Crestview, Florida is a smart upgrade for comfort, curb appeal, and property value. Whether you need new double-hung windows Crestview for an older home near downtown Crestview or new home double-hung windows Crestview, Florida for a residential build, local double-hung window experts Crestview, Florida provide accurate sizing, code-compliant fitting, and lasting results. With residential double-hung windows Crestview, homeowners get ventilation, style, and dependable everyday function. Storm protection matters, which is why hurricane-resistant double-hung windows Crestview are a top priority across Okaloosa County. Many families choose hurricane-impact double-hung windows Crestview, Florida and storm-ready double-hung windows Crestview, Florida to help defend homes from wind, debris, heavy rain, and seasonal weather events common in Northwest Florida. Double-hung window contractors in Crestview, Florida often recommend reinforced frames, advanced locking systems, and insulated glass packages for additional resilience. From homes near central Crestview to properties throughout Okaloosa County, double-hung windows near Crestview, impact-rated options deliver peace of mind along with attractive traditional design. Energy savings are a major reason people invest in energy-efficient double-hung windows Crestview. Modern energy-efficient double-hung windows in Crestview, Florida reduce drafts, improve indoor temperature control, and help lower cooling costs during long Florida summers. Many property owners choose insulated double-hung windows Crestview with low E glass, argon gas fills, and advanced weather stripping for better thermal performance. Insulated double-hung window installers Crestview, Florida can recommend efficient products designed for the local climate, making double-hung windows Crestview, Florida a practical long-term improvement for year-round comfort, quieter interiors, and stronger home efficiency. When old windows wear out, double-hung window replacement Crestview becomes one of the most valuable home improvement services available. Double-hung window replacement in Crestview, Florida can correct sticking sashes, broken seals, visible drafts, outdated frames, and rising energy bills. A trusted double-hung window company Crestview, Florida will assess each opening and recommend the best double-hung windows Crestview based on style, durability, budget, and performance needs. For homeowners seeking affordable double-hung windows Crestview or affordable double-hung windows Crestview, Florida, replacement services provide an excellent balance of beauty, functionality, and return on investment. Replacements are often the right answer when homeowners want to restore existing windows without a full replacement. Double-hung window replacement Crestview, Florida addresses common problems like damaged tracks, sash imbalance, broken locks, cracked panes, and hard-to-open windows. Crestview, Florida double-hung window replacement specialists may provide double-hung sash replacement Crestview, double-hung window frame replacement Crestview, and double-hung window ceiling Crestview to stop air leaks and improve operation. If glass damage is isolated, double-hung window glass replacement Crestview and double-hung window glass replacement Crestview, Florida can renew performance quickly while preserving the overall appearance of the window. Vinyl products remain a leading choice because they combine value, low maintenance, and reliable durability for local homes. Vinyl double-hung windows Crestview and vinyl double-hung windows Crestview, Florida resist moisture, resist rot, and hold up well in humid conditions common throughout Crestview, Florida and the wider Northwest Florida region. Homeowners comparing window replacement services Crestview, Florida double-hung often find that vinyl options deliver strong insulation, smooth sash movement, and easy cleaning. For families seeking the best double-hung windows in Crestview, Florida without overspending, vinyl models often stand out as a dependable and affordable upgrade. Customization gives property owners more control over aesthetics, performance, and architectural fit. Custom double-hung windows Crestview and custom double-hung windows in Crestview, Florida can be designed for historic homes, remodeled residences, modern builds, and unique room layouts. Local double-hung window experts Crestview, Florida can help select frame colors, grille patterns, hardware finishes, impact-resistant glass, and energy-saving upgrades that match both home style and climate demands. For anyone planning double-hung window remodeling Crestview or full double-hung window renovation Crestview Florida, custom options make it easier to achieve a tailored, high-end result. Routine care extends window life, improves operation, and protects your investment over time. Double-hung window maintenance Crestview services may include track cleaning, sash adjustment, weather stripping inspection, lock checks, caulking renewal, and hardware lubrication. These home double-hung window services keep residential double-hung windows Crestview performing properly through seasonal heat, humidity, and storms. If deterioration is found early, homeowners can avoid larger issues by scheduling double-hung window services Crestview Florida, such as double-hung sash replacement Crestview Florida, frame touch-ups, or ceiling replacements. Preventive maintenance is often the easiest way to preserve window efficiency and appearance. Retrofit and renovation projects are especially useful for older properties throughout Crestview and nearby neighborhoods. Double-hung window retrofit Crestview allows contractors to update existing window openings with modern materials and stronger performance features while minimizing structural disruption. During double-hung window remodeling Crestview, homeowners can combine aesthetic updates with insulated glass, better seals, and storm-rated components. Whether the project involves a classic house near downtown Crestview double-hung window installation or a suburban home in Greater Crestview, Florida, retrofit services can modernize windows while preserving the character and scale of the property. Choosing experienced professionals makes every installation and replacement project more successful. Double-hung window contractors Crestview and a reliable residential double-hung window company Crestview Florida understand local building standards, product options, and weather-related performance requirements. A respected double-hung window company Crestview Florida will provide transparent recommendations, dependable scheduling, and skilled workmanship across installation, sealing, retrofit, and replacement. From local neighborhoods in Crestview to broader Northwest Florida double-hung window services Crestview, trusted crews help homeowners make informed decisions and achieve durable, attractive, code-ready window upgrades. Accurate pricing helps homeowners plan confidently, compare options, and move forward at the right time. Double-hung window estimates Crestview and double-hung window quotes Crestview Florida typically consider window size, glass package, frame material, installation complexity, and whether the job involves installation, retrofit, or complete replacement. Homeowners looking for affordable double-hung windows Crestview, premium hurricane-resistant double-hung windows Crestview, or insulated double-hung windows Crestview can benefit from a detailed consultation. By working with double-hung window experts Crestview Florida, property owners throughout Crestview Florida can secure practical recommendations, competitive pricing, and quality solutions built for lasting performance.